Alright. Let's get the... I'm gonna try this suction cup. I don't know if this one might, because this one's small. I'm gonna need this shit. I'm gonna need this shit. See, this one's small. I need this one. Oh, never mind, it's good. Got a little opening here. Screws right there. There we go. Alright, so now we can take this off. You can just leave it on. But see, I'm just missing a screw. Nigga, that shit better have been recorded. Alright, good job. Alright, you know, fuck it. Just for you guys, I'm gonna take it all apart again. Alright, so back here, record this out. We got all the LCD connectors back here. So we're gonna take off these screws. Some of these are not magnetized, so a magnetized driver will not work. I think this one is though. Yeah, this one is. Motherfucker. Alright, I'm gonna take off this little plate here. Put it to the side. You're gonna want to take off all these connectors right here. See, I have a prying tool here. This is a nylon spudger. There you just open this one. There we go. There we go. And the last one is all the way back here. There we go. Yeah. And then if we had a broken screen here, we would replace this, and you would take off this whole camera right here, the lighting filter, the button, the heat plate, and that's pretty much it. And then for battery removal, you would yank on this, or you would pull on this right here. Let's see. And then back here we have where the battery connects. Let's see, what else can I explain to you? We got the home button, we got the volume button, the vibrator, and yeah, that's technically it. I just took it apart because I was missing one of these screws right here and I found it, but I'm gonna be putting it back together. Alright, so you see these little things right here? You're gonna want to make sure these things go in first, because if not, you could break the screen. You're just gonna want to hold it at a 90-degree angle, and you're gonna want to plug in each one. And they should snap like a Lego, so you'll know when it snaps in. Your finger. There it goes. place this plate back here, and it should line up pretty good. They made the little edges so that it goes around this wire right here that's connected to the battery, well, under the battery.
Don't need a tablet there. Pick it up. Hey, what's all that on the floor? All that trash? Huh? What's all that trash on the floor? Matthew?
Just relax.
¿Señorita, no otra vez?
Yeah, Mom.
¿Qué es eso?
Nothing.
Toma.
Where's that? Oh, just put it right there, Mom. Huh? No. There it goes. There we go. You might have a little trouble because they're so tiny. Nigga, go in. Look, this screw is giving me trouble, honestly. Huh?
This has been 8 minutes. You ready to fuck up?
Okay, nigga, fucking phone repair is not gonna be no fucking 8 minutes long. There it goes. And on the last one, see, for shit like this, you're gonna want to have like some tweezers. Fuck, I don't have any. I think this is the one that's not magnetized. Yep, this is the non-magnetized one. There it goes. And then, now, all we're going to do is pop the screen back in. You want to make sure that you work around the corners. Make sure everything's aligned good. And there you go. And then turn it on. Everything works perfectly fine. Not done yet. I gotta put on the pentalobe screws back on.
Like an iPhone 5.
These are here pentalobe screws. These go all the way at the bottom. All iPhones have them. Here we go. And then you don't want to grab an icon or an app. Just swipe it around the screen and make sure there's no dead spots. See, there's no dead spots. And there you go. That's how you work an iPhone, or that's how you take it apart. I would show you guys more, but my screen's not cracked, and I don't have an extra screen with me right now. But I'll keep you guys up to date with the next phone.